Welcome back to another great video. Something different again every time. Now this time I'm going to show you guys how to repair your flat on your tire. I know it can be a big hassle, but something you can do to avoid the run around. Okay, so one morning woke up and see I have a nail or a screw here in this tire. So I'm going to fix it. So what I'm doing right now, I go ahead and I raise it up a little bit, jack it up. So the reason is because I can rotate the tire and easily access the screw. Okay. Also, safety is always first, and I put the blocks under the tires. Now, here's another trick. The reason why I lift it up, okay, jack it up, and also put the blocks under the tires, it's because I needed to rotate the tire so I can access the hole. I mean the where the screw is, and to do that, you have to deactivate the parking brake. So once you deactivate the parking brake, then the tire is free to move around. And right now you can see I can move it. The reason why it's stalking down here, I need to raise it a little bit higher. But that's how you do it, okay? So you raise the tire up and then you deactivate the parking brake, and so all the tires will be free to rotate to wherever you want them to stay at. See, this is the nail I'm going to be removing. Alright, so to do this job at home, you will need this, you see, tire plug repair kit. And this is, you see, that's the plug, and then it comes with these the tools here. So see here the hook, and then you see this. So later on you're gonna see how you use it. And then to air up the tire, you will need this pump. So this is to use at home, but they also have another one with a socket where you can plug it in your car. Okay, so that's basically what you need. Especially this one here. Everybody should have one in their car. Okay, everybody. I've rescued a lot of people. Okay, by airing up their tires. Okay. So, but this one here also is something you should have in your car because you never know. There we go. Yeah, that's where it came from, right here. All right. Then you use this here, and the purpose of it is to clear up the passage. Okay. You see, you stick it in there. All right. So you see like that. Stick it in there. So all it is you make the hole a little bit bigger, and then also you clean it. Then you go ahead and remove this. So once you're done, you see, you take one. So that means I've already done this many times, and that's the third one I'm using. So you take this, because right now it's hot, so that's why this is very gluey. So see, and then you stick that in between. You manage to get it inside. Yeah. Just like this, and then we'll stick it inside the tire, and then you will pull. You stick it in, it goes like this, and then when you're pulling out, it will go like that, and then create a bubble inside. It will create a bubble inside the tire. Okay, so now this is it, and you go in. You stick. If you want, you can put the tire down. Okay. Okay, so you see it's halfway in. So I don't have to stick this all the way in. It's halfway in now, and all I have to do is pull this. You see, I'm going to pull this out. See? See, it comes back without it. It creates a bubble inside. And so now all I have to do and just cut this here. You can stop.
Okay.
All right, so you see, this is it. So we just fixed the flat. So now I'm going to air it up. Okay, so you see it takes front and rear tires take 36 psi, and then this is it right now. So it's all done. Okay, so this is how you repair a flat tire. So please, if you like this video, subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Okay, thank you and see you next time. Woo-hoo.